Hi guys, today we're here at a park and we're going to talk about wind. You know, unlike a lot of our other weather elements, wind is one of those things that you really can't see unless you look for tips in the nature to find out that it's windy. If it's sunny, we can see the sun, like you can see the sun behind me. If it's cloudy, you can see clouds. If it's raining, you can see it. If it's snowing, you can see it. But when it's windy, you really can't tell. I'm going to show you that. Can you tell just by looking at the sky that it's windy? No, but we look for clues. I know that you guys can probably see my hair is moving, and we can see things moving outside like tree branches or kites or flags. So today we're going to talk about wind power. I'm going to show you guys a pretty cool thing that you can do when it's windy outside. So you guys just saw videos of me with my kiddos flying some kites. And you might ask, how do we fly kites? Why do we need wind? What is wind? Well, in a simple way to describe it, wind is a flow of gases on a large scale. On the surface of Earth, which is where we lived, wind consists of the bulk movement of air. Winds are commonly classified by how they move, what kind of speed they use to move, and what force is causing them, such as a weather pattern or just the movement of the Earth. The strongest winds that we've observed on our solar system happen in other planets like Neptune and Saturn. Where we live, we typically only know it's windy if we see a flag blowing in the breeze or see a tree blowing branches or hear the wind through the windows. But in other parts of the country, wind can cause a large problem. There are several storms that can happen because of a lot of wind and atmospheric pressure. A tornado is a violently rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm down to the ground. A tornado can destroy buildings, flip cars, and create deadly flying debris. And while scientists still don't fully understand what causes tornadoes, they do know it has a difference to do with the influx of air and temperature around the globe. Another major weather storm that can be caused by wind is a hurricane. A hurricane is a large rotating storm with high-speed winds that form over warm waters in tropical areas. Hurricanes have sustained winds that are at least 74 miles per hour, which is faster than our cars usually drive on the highway. Hurricanes form over the warm ocean water of the tropics. When warm, moist air over the water rises, it's replaced by cooler air. The cooler air will then warm and start to rise. This cycle causes huge storm clouds to form. You can see these photos are from satellites in outer space that can see the hurricane from there. Much like a tornado, hurricanes can have devastating results. You can see here a city that's underwater. Aside from weather patterns, wind can have many other important purposes. Wind can blow seeds many miles. Have you ever picked up a dandelion and blown on it? The little white things that fly off of it are seeds, and they help provide food for birds and other small animals. Wind can also be used to grind grain, pump water, and provide electricity. Have you ever been driving and seen these windmills alongside the road? They're working hard with wind power to provide energy and electricity. Of all the things that wind can do, it can also be used for fun. This girl's windsurfing. There's also parasailing. People use wind for all kinds of things, like in the beginning of our video, how we used it for flying kites. You can have lots of fun with the wind. Can you guys hear the wind? It was just really windy here. hope you guys had an awesome time learning about wind today, and I will see you guys soon.